Hello, Eva. Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Thank you for that kiss. Are you talking to me? Hello. Do you want to pet me? Oh. Go ahead, pet him. Oh, yeah, you like him, huh? Yep. I like you too. Wow. Yeah? Tell me more, Eva. Do you like kissing your puppet? Is he your friend? We are friends, huh, Eva? One last kiss.